Welcome ji. Let's discuss today market, what the state of the market. So today is the June 2nd, and our Nifty market is almost 1.56% up. Means ki as per expected, the country situation is some kind of relaxation with the relation with respect to some market respect, due to which the market estimate and trends are in a positive. So if we are looking the complete scenario, we need to find that in our all 50 stocks, we have a 36 stocks in Nifty is the positive, and only 14 stocks in the your red in the decline, and this is the positive stocks. So on average, our markets are in the greens. These key stocks are perform better. So 36 stocks are up. And if we are discussing about your top gainer, so today again Bajaj Finserv is up 9.5%, Jeet Limited your 9.6, Bajaj Finance again 8.5%, and Kotak Bank 7.69%, Tata Motors this is a 7.3. So here, if you look the buying perspective, volume of the trades which happen on these top gainer stocks with respect to, if you are looking about this Tata Motors, we find that here is a huge number of you can say okay. Let's see if we are now discussing the what the stocks are not performing positives, and top loser we are trying to say. Top loser is the Coal India, is down by 3.3%, and Maruti minus 1.87, BPCL minus 1.39%, and ITC minus 1.27, and Dr. Reddy minus 1.2. So volume perspective you are looking here. So your ITC and Coal India, here these stocks number of volume trade is so high. Okay. Now if we are looking, if you want to look all the stocks which how kind they are performs as to the perspective, if you go to the Nifty stocks level, these are the top losers, and you are, if you need to find the top losers, from bottom you are able to look the bottoms, and if you want to find the top gainer, you just look from the upper side. See, these all our Nifty 50 stocks, okay, and here overall summary. Your 36 in advance, 14 in decline of the your our Nifty stocks. Okay, so in overalls we are discussing today. I am going to discuss, if you are looking here, the stocks ICICI Bank. They, let's look the details of what kind of performance today these stocks have given. If we are talking about the current today status of the ICICI Bank, and we notice that this stocks is today price up by 2.69%, and is today high making the 350, low 332, and overall the day target is trade sign is the up direction in a positives. Let's look some long durations trading charts, what kind of role they plays. If we are looking near about weekly basis, then again you notice that this is a green and upper directions. If we are and in 1 week chart, this gives the return to 13.98%. And if you are looking 1 month, in monthly chart you notice that this stocks is given you almost minus 5.3% your negative returns. And here is the sum up down up down up down, and again in last we are noting here is the going to the up directions. And if we are looking at 1 year, and you notice that due to the situations you all know, the market sharply down in after in Feb month, and now after raising this is going to the upward direction. If we are looking about, so in overall return of this 1 year, you will notice the 19.78%. And if we are looking at the more 5 year or the longer perspective, so it is the as expected, it's the give you returns in the last 5 year to his shareholder as a 22.53%. Okay, and overall result in a positive, not in a negative. And for if we are thinking this stock as the long perspective, if we look at the maximum durations of this chart, so very nice, you can say look like a chart they are displaying, and which are like you are looking from initially start, then some down, then start, then some down, then start, some down. This is the situational conditional on the overall universe. The stock is here down, but overall look like there is the positive. And returns if you are looking at return perspective in a long terms, uh, uh, you notice that 2710.34%. So if we are thinking this stock from a long perspective, more than 2, 3, 4, 5 years, they, as per history, what history say, they give us as a positive returns. And if you look like the overall summary from this is very concise points here from this website, we have noticed that this stock currently in trading, current price is less than the intrinsic value. That means this is the right time to invest in this stock. Any stocks which you are looking that is running, that is trading on his intrinsic value lower than intrinsic value, means that means you are uh, in a place to giving the right balance here. You are just getting the right time to enter. Means if you are selecting any stocks which are lower than his intrinsic value, that means the right time. And other points you are also consider these stocks have given a very, you can say the returns versus FD rate. This stock has generated better return than equity than FD line systems. And this is the one negative point also we have to take whenever we are thinking about any stock. We have to think some positive, and we have also not ignored the some negative points. Here they have two negative points mentioned by these stocks. One is the high default probability. This is the one is the is star notice point thing we have to look before exploring, analyzing any stocks. There are some level of due to the current situation, the situation happens due to the here is a some high probability to the default. And overall entry point for this stocks is that good time to consider as stock is not overbought. Now this stock is in trading is lower than its current intrinsic value. So we are now a place where we have to think, we have to start analyzing this stock for the longer period of duration. If you are looking about is the returns with respect to our stocks returns versus our Sensex return. That means what kind of market given the return to the shareholders with respect to what this stock. If you're comparing this stocks returns with the Sensex system, and you notice that in here we have given the 10-year comparisons. You notice that in 1 year uh, this stock given the positive return and 1 day and 1 week, and you will notice in 1 month, 3 month, 6 months, and even the less than a year, this stock are given to the negative return. And if we are thinking for the longer duration, longer period of times, then we find out that this stocks second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, and even a 10th year, they have given better result than the census, than the market. So these comparisons of the stock return versus your census returns. Okay. So we have to think in overall for longer duration, the longer period we are thinking, this stock can give you the better returns for his shareholders with respect to long durations. If we are thinking what kind of shareholder, what kind of shareholding pattern these stocks have, and then we are thinking overall majorly 43% on this stocks have a holding of FIIs, and after that second numbers you have a mutual funds. 27 mutual funds are actively trading in these stocks. So we have, if you know, these mutual funds are basically they are not like individual investor. They are a huge number of funds they are investing to any stock. Here 27.61% mutual funds hold this share. That means mutual funds are heavily believe on the performance of this stock. So we also can think whenever we are comparing and analyzing any stocks, we also think what level of mutual funds are investing the particular stocks. So we have to take in as a positive note if the particular stocks have some kind of good level of mutual fund houses are investing. That means the particular stocks are already researched and they are analyzed by the mutual fund researcher. So we have to think and others percentage we are looking at here 14% insurance companies they are insurance company also investing in a very safe place where they can insure his amount and the insurance and others non-institution and others are 19th and 11%. So overall here you can say in this case your shareholding pattern perspective, mutual funds and FII have a like a higher holding patterns here. So, and if we are talking about some what kind of currently sentiments going to the market, so as per the websites and the research, and these stocks are currently uh, these 60% are users of the in selling. Means ki, uh, 60% are investors are in selling mode. Means ki, against if someone sell the stock, then someone buy the stocks here. So if we look as trends perspective, the monthly, daily, and weekly. Now we notice that this weekly basis, this daily basis, this stocks in a very bullish trends, means key of directions trends going on. And if we are looking about your weekly, then again there is, if you are looking about monthly basis, so monthly basis trends is very neutral trends. So overall valuations of these stocks, what is considerable is that these stocks uh, trading almost, you can say, here industry P is the 22.42%, 44, and is the stock P is the 28. So this stock is trading higher than some his peer industries, but and if you look about the book value, and these are the dividend percent, they are also giving some kind of dividend. As I already discussed, this dividend provide the better than your normal FD returns and dividend, and so is the overall this not trading more than higher, uh, means not more costlier than stock. So in short summary, this is the good time where we have to do some research and analysis in this stocks. Now they are in trending to started trending in upper directions. So if we have to research on these stocks, we have to analyze and think if this can be one of the good stocks. If we are looking the stocks in the banking sector, this is the one of the one stock which help us to make our portfolio overall positive in the long terms. Hope it's useful. Thank you.